Rubbermaid Commercial Products introduces a revolutionary new technology to air care, the Microburst 3000, powered by the LumeCel rechargeable energy system. Open the dispenser by inserting the key into the lock tab on the right side of the dispenser. Pull the cover forward while applying slight pressure to the LCD screen. If you would prefer the use of the push button, you can replace the lock button by pinching the bottom tab of lock button and pulling it out of the slot. Then insert the new push button. For optimum performance, position the dispenser at a minimum height of 7 feet in a lighted area with a lux level of 300 or more. To mount using the pre-applied adhesive, first, clean the area with the provided alcohol wipe. Peel off the adhesive liner and press the unit firmly in place for 10 seconds. Open the dispenser and put the rechargeable energy cell into place. Connect the wires, insert the refill, and close the cover. For more information, visit www.rubbermaidcommercial.com.